Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Juego de Cocina para Niñas is probably one of the most exciting and educational toys you can get for your little ones, sparking their imagination and encouraging hours of creative play as they mimic adult activities in a safe and fun environment, making it a fantastic addition to any playroom or nursery. Number 5. Melissa and Doug Toddler Cleaning Set. Spark imaginative fun with this colorful cleaning set. Your child can sweep, mop, and tidy up, learning independence and responsibility along the way. This kid-sized set includes a broom, mop, duster, brush, and dustpan. It even comes with a sturdy stand to keep everything organized for endless pretend play. Designed to boost confidence and support fine motor skills, these durable wooden toys encourage hands-on tasks and imaginative role-playing. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set inspires screen-free, open-ended play, making it a timeless toy for boys and girls. For over 35 years, we've inspired kid-powered play with our learning toys, puzzles, and games. Discover the joy of screen-free fun. What we like? This set is perfect for sparking imaginative fun and teaching independence. If you are looking for a way to encourage your child to help with chores in a playful way, this is the ideal choice. It offers a realistic experience with durable wooden tools. What people say? The kitchen set is a good size for toddlers. It includes various accessories like pots, pans, and utensils. The design is colorful and engaging for young children. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Food Group's Wooden Play Food Set. Introduce your child to healthy eating habits with this sturdy wooden food set. It features items from all 5 food groups for fun and nutritious pretend play. This play food set is both fun and educational. It helps children learn about nutrition, early number skills, color recognition, and sorting. Keep everything tidy with the included wooden crates. They're perfect for sorting food by group, color, or for creating pretend meals. Looking for a gift for a child aged 3 to 6? This wooden play food set is a wonderful choice that sparks imagination. For over 30 years, we've been creating beautifully designed toys that inspire creativity. Our products are recognized as the gold standard in early childhood play. We are committed to quality and nurturing young minds. If your child isn't inspired, we'll make it right. Contact us using the number on the product. What we like? This toy introduces the basics of nutrition and helps children plan balanced meals. If your child is curious about food and wants to learn about healthy eating, this set is a fantastic educational tool. The included crates make organization simple. What people say? The kitchen set is a good size for toddlers. It comes with many accessories, like pots, pans, and utensils. The colors are bright and appealing to children. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Stainless Steel Pots and Pans Play Kitchen Set. Unleash your child's inner chef with this premium stainless steel cookware set. It includes toy pots, pans, and wooden utensils, all neatly stored on a rack, ready for endless kitchen adventures. This playset encourages children to practice cooking and serving meals using realistic accessories. It's a fantastic way to sharpen their fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Crafted from polished stainless steel with sturdy riveted handles, this set is built for years of imaginative play. It provides hours of screen-free fun, perfect for restaurant or play store adventures. Looking for a birthday or holiday gift? Celebrate special moments with this educational toy, a wonderful present for boys and girls aged 3 and up. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been inspiring kid-powered play. Our toys encourage learning, creativity, and wholesome fun for children of all ages. What we like? This set offers a realistic cooking experience with durable stainless steel pots and pans. If you want to provide your child with high-quality, long-lasting kitchen accessories for imaginative play, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for aspiring young chefs. What people say? The kitchen set is a good size for toddlers. It comes with a lot of accessories, like pots, pans, and utensils. The colors are bright and attractive, which my daughter loves. Number 2. KidKraft Uptown Natural Wooden Play Kitchen. Introducing the KidKraft Uptown Natural Wooden Play Kitchen, a delightful addition to any child's play space. It's designed for hours of imaginative fun. This play kitchen features realistic working knobs for the oven and sink, adding to the interactive play experience. It also includes a cordless phone with a hands-free clip for added fun. With convenient shelving and hanging pegs, children can easily store their play pots, pans, and accessories. This helps keep their play area tidy and organized. The see-through doors on the oven and microwave give a realistic feel, allowing little chefs to peek inside. It sparks creativity and imaginative role-playing. The freezer door doubles as a chalkboard surface, perfect for little artists to draw on. It adds an extra element of creative expression to their play. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable sink, making this play kitchen practical for parents too. Its smart and sturdy wood construction ensures it will last for years. What we like. This large play kitchen features interactive elements like working knobs and a chalkboard. If you're looking for a comprehensive play kitchen that offers a realistic cooking and dining experience with plenty of storage, this is a great choice. It's designed for hours of imaginative fun. What people say. The kitchen set is a good size for toddlers. It includes various accessories like pots, pans, and utensils, which adds to the play value. The design is colorful and engaging for young children. Number 1. Cute Stone Play Kitchen Sink Toys. Introducing a fun and engaging play kitchen sink set. It includes a stove, pots, pans, and even play food for endless hours of entertainment. Experience the magic of running water with its upgraded real faucet and automatic water circulation system. It's an exciting indoor water play activity. Watch as the dishes magically change color with warm water. This feature adds an extra layer of excitement and helps keep little ones comfortable. This educational toy set encourages cognitive development, social skills, and hands-on exploration. It's perfect for pretend play and learning. Looking for a gift? This super value pack is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic present for boys and girls. Designed for simple operation and enjoyment. Just add water and batteries, and let the fun begin. What we like. This kitchen sink toy features a real, circulating water faucet and fun color-changing dishes. If you want an engaging and interactive water play experience for your child, this set is perfect. It provides endless entertainment and helps develop cognitive and social skills. What people say. The kitchen set is very cute and has a lot of accessories. My daughter loves playing with this kitchen set. She spends hours pretending to cook. The size is perfect for a toddler, not too big and not too small. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.